Stacey Ray's travel tips. Stacey.
Hi, travelers. If you're flying for the first time, or even for experienced travelers, here is the number one thing that you should be doing as soon as you book that exciting first flight. Download your airline's app and turn on notifications. Listen, flight times change, gates get switched, and sometimes more than once. Delays and cancellations happen, and you just can't count on airport announcements or even the gate agents to keep you fully informed. Half the time, the mic isn't even working, or it's too loud at the gate to hear anything anyway. So what does the app do? It will notify you before anyone says a word over the loudspeaker. You'll get real-time updates about boarding, delays, cancellations, gate changes, really everything, direct to your phone. And when things go sideways, which they often do, having that information immediately gives you a serious advantage. Here's what it means. You'll be halfway to the new gate before the rest of the passengers even stand up. You'll know if you have extra time to grab a coffee or if you need to hustle. And if your flight is delayed or canceled, you can often rebook right there in the app without waiting in line for hours at the customer service desk with hundreds of other people. That's not a pretty sight. So, before you pack your carry-on, download the app. This is not just a travel hack, it is your lifeline when things don't go as planned. Trust me, I cannot begin to tell you how many times having those notifications from my airline app has saved me from chaos and missing flights.